Welcome to a new video on my Raspberry Pi 3 combined with the PiXtend PLC Programmable Logic Control. Usually applied with industrial hardware. So it has RS232. It also has RS584. Is that correct? Anyway, two serial connections. It also has digital input, digital output, pulse modulation, CAN bus, relays for heavy operations. And because of the Raspberry Pi 3, it's in Linux. Controlled by Linux, programmed in Python. You can also program it in C, and it is now connected to, of course, RS232, Phase Technique LED, which doesn't do anything currently, a normal LED that does work. This is powered by 5 volts. This is powered by 12 volts, and here a motor can be applied, pulse modulation as well as servo. Currently nothing is applied because, just like last time, I am focusing on digital output, which are right here. One is applied. The other ones can be measured with probes on oscilloscope. And last time I noticed that the LEDs that are on that side, and let me lift it, these LEDs right here, currently not activated, do belong to the pulse, to the digital out. So I expect a signal at that moment. That didn't happen. So I will apply the probes of the oscilloscope again and see if there's anything software-wise that I can do. A new attempt probably also with serial interface, but let's see what comes and goes. First of all, digital out. So let's go to the software side. Alright, so now the time is for software and a little introduction. First of all, of course, camera with the PLC Raspberry Pi, probes here, and here is the serial interface. And of course here the VNC, virtual network computing, to take a look really on the Raspberry Pi 3. All data adjusted with the digital output, which is supposedly giving, or should be giving, signals. And they are all connected now to digital pulses. Question is, are they? Well, this is serial test. This is PiXauto. PiXauto is really a test like this one to check on things. Right now I'll check for the Python version. This is SSH. I should name it like that. Minicom terminal, which doesn't do much, and here I have to take ownership of the serial terminal on the laptop, that is. Now I have to make sure that everything is set. Well, not pulse modulation, edge, probably. Pattern can also be. That is channel 1. Right. But considering these signals, I should have somewhat different. Oh, let me change the voltage. The voltage is set to 5 volts. Let me change that. Channel 1, 10 volts. Channel 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10 volts. Okay, this looks much better. Although you can clearly see that here it is topped off. So well, this stays topped off. It's not quite alright. Okay, let's be it this way. Anyway, in this way let me run the software. And move the camera a bit so I can show, hopefully, oh wait, it's not running. Now it is running. This is strange, don't you think? I would expect flat lines. They're not flat lines at all. So let me use edge. It's 20 milliseconds. But it doesn't matter, it's not a straight line. So that's quite odd. And you see all digital signals going on and off. And this is the, oh wait, that explains it. This is the this is the yellow line. Supposed to lighten up this one, but even that is not happening. It did previously, and I know it does work. Or do I? Yeah, I do, because this is the red one and this is the blue. This is connected to correct point. Yeah, it is correct. It just doesn't show it. Alright, so much for this one. Now PX Auto, and true. I have them all true. And nothing in this in the signals change. No. Yeah, I know, but that's not what I want to do. They're all burning. And signals on the oscilloscope show nothing. Not what I expect. False, 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 false. Everything false again. They don't show. Why? Am I not understanding something? if you put something on, there's one signal which is on. Strange. Anyway, not what I intend to see, want to see. Okay, next thing, an attempt for serial again. Alright, then serial test. I can't do that here, so I really have to quit this one, at least I think so. Do I have something otherwise? Pulse modulation control. No. GPL. I don't really mind. This is for humidity, etc. Digital in and home. Okay, quit. Now run it again and see whatever happens. And I forget something because I want to use Octave as well. Where do I have Octave? Not here. I have it right here. So go. Need some time to start. And I should have started it earlier, but that's the way it is right now. Let me start the software. Oh, and something else, of course. Yeah, here we are. Editor. Open, and then I want this one. But the point is, of course, it's either one or the other. So this is Minicom, which I have to quit in order to use. See, hanging up, and there is it. And it's only writing from here, from the laptop, which runs Fedora Linux, to this one. And that has never yet worked. Not that I have seen. So, press F5 to run. And hello is being sent. This is the data, and all the data is being set to hello /r /n/r. /n is new line, /r is carriage return, meaning in old-fashioned typewriter way, go to the beginning of the line, not just a new line. But that all doesn't really matter. And I have here also a data file. So if I quit doing this, yeah, right, then I go here again, and I want to see, and I need to see the editor RaspberryPi3 PiXtend. So go here. Oh wait, from which time is it anyway? I want all details. Oh, it has no bytes yet, and it is from today. So I apparently have to wait a bit until it has been filled. I don't know why that is happening. On the other hand, if I look here, and let me quit this one, I say quit, then data is not being received. Nothing is being received. Serial read 9 characters. Is it 9? Is it 9? No, it's only 7. So I have to read in 7 characters. First input. I have to read in 7 characters. Okay. And I stopped it. Let's see how much is now. Still 0. Didn't work out then. It did work out previously. But so far no good. And time is running out again for a short video. Now only 3 have been sent. 3 have been written. So if I quit now, yeah, how much time? Still 0, but also 47. That is correct. So it should have 3 lines hello, but that's not happening. And here nothing is happening. Okay. I should be here. Okay. So unfortunately this still doesn't work despite my efforts. Yeah, quite unfortunate. Why do I keep attempting it? Because I want everything to work. Plain and simple. Right, and that's it for a short test again on the Raspberry Pi 3 with the PiXtend PLC, Programmable Logic Control, via Python, as well as on an oscilloscope showing signals that I don't want to see, not that way. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. You can show your appreciation by, of course, subscribing, but also by making a small donation or any donation via PayPal or wired. More information under this video. You can also show your appreciation by becoming a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. More information on my Patreon page and via my website. All listed under this video. For now, thanks for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.